90% of car owners don't know about the hidden car features built into their own vehicles. But here's the kicker. One of them could prevent costly repairs, yet most people ignore it. Before making any mistakes, here are the 11 secret car features no one knows exist, including advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, features that could save your life. These tips can help you maintain your vehicle better. Let's dive in. Secret number 11. Breathe fresh air with the help of a button. Ever been stuck in traffic behind a diesel truck belching black smoke? The small dashboard icon showing a car with a circular arrow isn't decoration. It's your personal air quality guardian. Your car's recirculation button is basically a force field against pollution, exhaust fumes, and that mysterious farm smell on country roads. With one press, your vehicle stops pulling in outside air and instead recirculates the clean air already inside the cabin. Not only does this keep nasty pollutants out of your lungs, it also dramatically improves your air conditioning efficiency by up to 20% in extreme heat. That means cooler temperatures, faster, and less strain on your system. This is particularly valuable when you're stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic or driving through areas with poor air quality, like construction zones or heavily polluted urban centers. What's even more impressive is how this simple feature can extend the life of your cabin air filter by reducing the amount of contaminants it needs to trap. That means fewer cabin air filter replacements and more money in your pocket. Next time you see that recirculation icon, remember it's not just a button. It's your first line of defense against the invisible pollution army outside your windows. Secret number 10. Color-coded engine components. Have you ever opened your hood and wondered why some parts are bright yellow while others are boring gray? It's not a style choice. It's actually a secret. Code. Manufacturers color-code engine components to tell you what you can fix yourself and what needs a pro. Those bright yellow, blue, or red caps are telling you that you can add fluids without calling your mechanic. Meanwhile, those boring black or gray parts are best left to the experts. Understanding this color system can prevent unnecessary service fees. This clever system isn't just about convenience. It's also protecting your engine from your good intentions. Imagine pouring oil into your coolant reservoir or windshield fluid into your brake fluid. That would be a disaster. The color coding prevents these costly mistakes that could leave you stranded on the side of the road. Here's another insider tip. Yellow usually means oil. Blue often indicates coolant or windshield washer fluid. Red might be transmission fluid. Learn these basic color codes and you'll navigate your engine bay like a pro, even if you couldn't tell a spark plug from a soda plug. Secret number 9. The fuel cap holder. It's so simple you'll kick yourself. Look at your gas tank door next time you're filling up. See that little notch or hook? That's not a manufacturing defect. It's literally designed to hold your fuel cap while you pump gas. I know. Mind blown, right? But here's the scary part. Letting that cap dangle or setting it on your car's roof doesn't just look amateur. It can actually lead to scratched paint, dirt entering your fuel system, and eventually clogged injectors. That's a $3,000 repair waiting to happen, all because nobody told you about a tiny plastic hook. And the worst part? Nearly every car has this feature, but a shocking 95% of drivers don't use it. What's even worse is that dirt in your fuel system doesn't just affect your injectors. It can damage your fuel pump and lead to complete engine failure over time. This little holder isn't just about convenience. It's preventative maintenance that costs you absolutely nothing. Plus, you'll never again be that person frantically looking for their gas cap that rolled under the car or drove off with it on the roof. Talk about an embarrassing and expensive mistake. Secret number 8. Emergency shift lock release. Picture this. Your battery dies in the middle of traffic and you need to push your car to safety. One problem, you can't get your automatic transmission into neutral. Or can you? Hidden under a small plastic cover near your shifter is the emergency shift lock release button. Pop off that cover with your key or a small screwdriver. Press the button and boom, you can shift without power. This tiny button could literally be the difference between being stranded in a dangerous spot or getting safely to the side of the road. Many people wait hours for a tow truck just because they didn't know about this feature. Meanwhile, traffic is backing up and tempers are flaring all around them. Don't be that driver. Take 5 minutes right now to locate this emergency button in your car before you need it. The location varies by vehicle, but it's typically right next to the gear shifter. In some models, it's underneath the gear shift boot. In others, it's a small hole that needs a key inserted. Either way, knowing where it is could save you from a dangerous roadside situation and an expensive tow bill. Secret number 7. Road condition indicators and temperature sensors. Did you know your car might be trying to warn you about icy roads? That little snowflake icon on your dashboard isn't just winter decor. It's a sophisticated temperature sensor alerting you when conditions might be slippery. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration reports 156,000 crashes annually due to icy conditions, many of which could be prevented with greater awareness. Some newer models are even more sophisticated, changing from yellow warning lights to red when temperatures drop critically low. And the really advanced systems don't just warn you. They communicate with other vehicles on the same route to create a network of safety information. It's like having hundreds of weather scouts ahead of you on the highway, all working together to keep everyone safe. Now that's some serious ADAS technology worth paying attention to. Secret number 6. Anti-glare rear-view features and blind spot monitoring prep. That little tab at the bottom of your rear-view mirror isn't just decorative. Flip it when those high beams behind you turn night, driving into a light show. It uses simple physics to reduce glare and prevent temporary blindness. Shockingly, about 14% of drivers over 65 avoid night driving altogether due to headlight glare issues, even though this simple solution has been in cars for decades. Newer vehicles are taking this a step further with digital mirrors, auto-dimming systems that automatically dim to protect your precious peepers, and blind spot monitoring systems that work in conjunction with your mirrors. The science behind this feature is actually pretty fascinating. That little tab changes the angle of the mirror so that instead of reflecting the bright light directly into your eyes, it bounces it toward the ceiling of your car. The mirror becomes slightly dimmer overall, but you can still see what's behind you without being blinded. For those with newer models, auto-dimming mirrors contain special electrochromic gel that darkens when an electric current is applied, automatically darkening when sensors detect bright light behind you. No manual adjustment necessary. It's like having sunglasses for your rearview mirror that put themselves on exactly when you need them. Secret number 5. Remote window controls. Ever wished you could cool down your car before getting in on a scorching summer day? With most modern cars, you actually can. On 2018 and newer Kia, Volkswagen, and Hyundai models, press and hold the unlock button for 3 seconds and watch as your windows roll down from a distance. Honda and Volvo owners, you've got it even easier. Press unlock once, then press and hold. No remote button, no problem. Insert your key in the driver's door lock, turn to unlock, then turn and hold clockwise to lower windows. Turn and hold the opposite way to close them up. This feature isn't just about comfort, it's practically a lifesaver in extreme heat. A car sitting in the sun can reach internal temperatures of 130 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit within minutes. Being able to vent that heat before you and your family get in could prevent discomfort or even heat-related health issues. For parents, imagine never again having to slide into a scorching hot car with kids screaming because their car seat buckles are hot enough to brand cattle. Just activate those windows from a safe distance. Let the inferno vent for a minute or two, and everyone benefits. Your passengers will think you've upgraded to a fancy climate control luxury vehicle without spending a dime. Secret number 4. Fuel gauge arrows. This one is so simple, yet so brilliant. Ever pull up to a gas pump only to realize your fuel door is on the opposite side? Next time, just glance at your fuel gauge. See that tiny arrow next to the gas pump icon? That arrow literally points to which side of your car has the fuel door. This feature has actually been around for decades, but roughly 50% of drivers still don't know about it. No more awkward gas station U-turns or stretching the hose across your car like some kind of fuel contortionist. What's even more surprising is that this tiny directional arrow has been standard in most vehicles since the early 1990s. That's right. For over 30 years, this helpful feature has been sitting right in front of our eyes. Yet half of drivers are still playing the gas station guessing game. This simple indicator becomes even more valuable when you're driving a rental car or borrowing someone else's vehicle. Instead of circling the gas station or awkwardly getting out to check which side the fuel door is on, a quick glance at the dashboard tells you everything you need to know. Sometimes the best features aren't the fancy tech upgrades, but these thoughtful little design elements that make everyday life just a bit easier. Secret number 3. Remote start functions. Did you know up to 90% of new cars now come with remote start capabilities, even if there's no obvious button for it? If your key fob has a circular arrow, you're set. But even some without that button have hidden start functions. On 2019 and newer Lexus, Mazda, or Toyota models, click the lock button twice, then press and hold on the third click. BMW owners on 2020 and newer models, click lock 3 times quickly. Suddenly, your engine purrs to life as if by magic. Imagine impressing your friends when you start your car from inside the restaurant while they're still scraping ice in the parking lot. Remote start isn't just about convenience or showing off. It's actually good for your engine, especially in extreme weather conditions. In freezing temperatures, allowing your engine to warm up before driving helps oil circulate properly and reduces wear and tear on critical components. In scorching heat, running the air conditioning before you get in reduces strain on the cooling system once you start driving. According to the Consumer Technology Association, this feature is becoming standard in most new vehicles. Check your owner's manual or look up your specific model online. You might be pleasantly surprised to discover your car has been hiding this premium feature all along. Secret number 2. Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. Here's a federally mandated feature since 2007 that most drivers completely misunderstand. That little tire icon with an exclamation point isn't just telling you that you have a flat tire, it's your tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, giving you early warnings about pressure loss that could lead to blowouts, reduced fuel efficiency, and premature tire wear. Most drivers only pay attention when the light comes on, but understanding how to read TPMS data can save you hundreds in tire replacement costs. Many modern vehicles show individual tire pressures on the dashboard display, allowing you to spot trends before they become problems. Some advanced TPMS systems can even detect slow leaks weeks before they become dangerous. This ADAS feature is literally saving lives. Underinflated tires cause over 11,000 accidents annually, according to NHTSA data. Take 5 minutes to learn how to access your TPMS readings in your specific vehicle and check them monthly rather than waiting for the warning light. Secret number 1. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. Drowsiness detection and night vision capabilities. If your car ever flashes a coffee cup icon on your dashboard, it's not asking if you want to make a Starbucks run. It's literally saying you're falling asleep at the wheel. Modern ADAS drowsiness detection systems have incredibly sophisticated capabilities that track your facial features for signs of fatigue, like frequent blinking or head nodding. Some even analyze your driving patterns and will alert you when they think you need a break. In Subarus, the car beeps rapidly and shows an eye icon when it detects you're getting drowsy. Consider this your car's way of saying, "Hey buddy, maybe pull over before you drift off and crash us both." Drowsy driving is responsible for approximately 100,000 crashes, 71,000 injuries, and 1,550 deaths annually, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. But here's the real secret. Some cars have actual night vision using infrared sensors and thermal imaging. These ADAS systems help you see in complete darkness. Active night vision lets you see up to 600 feet ahead, while passive night vision can detect objects up to 1,000 feet away. While this feature is typically found in luxury vehicles like the BMW X5, Audi A8, and Mercedes S-Class, aftermarket options are becoming more affordable. Just imagine spotting animals or pedestrians in pitch-black conditions before your headlights even reach them. The technology behind automotive night vision is actually derived from military applications. Active systems work by projecting infrared light invisible to the human eye, which illuminates the road ahead much farther than your headlights can reach. The camera then captures this infrared light as it bounces back, creating clear images of obstacles that would otherwise be completely invisible until it was too late. Passive systems are even more impressive. They require no light projection at all. Instead, they detect the natural heat signatures emitted by people, animals, and even recently driven vehicles through thermal imaging. This means they can identify living obstacles through fog, heavy rain, or behind visual barriers that normal headlights simply cannot penetrate. While currently considered a luxury feature, as with most automotive ADAS technology, expect night vision to become increasingly common in mid-range vehicles over the next decade. These 11 hidden car features demonstrate how modern vehicles contain sophisticated technology and advanced driver assistance systems that many owners never discover. From simple mechanical solutions like the fuel cap holder to advanced ADAS systems like night vision and drowsiness detection, understanding your vehicle's capabilities can enhance both safety and convenience. Each feature serves a specific purpose, whether protecting your engine, improving comfort, or preventing accidents through intelligent safety systems. Taking time to explore your car's manual and experimenting with its functions can reveal capabilities that have been there all along, waiting to be utilized.